Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel, and this video that's going to be a bit of a bonus video because I am going to open my glossy box. I usually open my glossy boxes as a bonus video because these are the Swedish glossy boxes, and I will say that a majority of my audience is not in Sweden, even though I do have a lot of people from Sweden watching my videos as well. But I thought it was interesting to start opening glossy boxes because Glossy Box is actually a German and Swedish company, but they are available in a bunch of different countries such as UK and US, and I thought it'd be fun to show what the Swedish glossy box looks like because I do know that you can get glossy box in a bunch of different countries. I will leave the site down below so that you can have a peek at what countries it is available in. But this is the Swedish box and this is the February box, and it is a Valentines inspired box, which I think is super pretty. It says all about, and then a heart. It's all about love, it's all about heart, it's all about in Sweden you get a glossy magazine when you get your glossy box. I do get these sent to me as PR, so I do not pay for these boxes, but I am not obligated to do anything with my boxes, so these are sent to me as PR with no strings attached, so this is not a sponsored video. If I don't want to show you the box, I don't have to, but I do think it's pretty fun to do these kind of videos because I've been getting a lot of really fun feedback on these videos. But yeah, so this is not a sponsored video, but I do get them as PR and do have a discount code for Swedish glossy box. If you are from Sweden and you want to start a subscription, I believe the code down below. It only works on Swedish glossy box and it is not affiliated, so I do not make any money off that code. Let me open this up so we can see what is in it. Oh, look how pretty it is. It's such a beautiful pink box and the ribbon has like hearts on it. This is the card, and you open the ribbon like that, and let's see what we get this month. Plus whatever that was. So this is what it looks like. Let me put this to the side and fish up whatever I just sent to the floor. Wow, this place is a mess. Okay, let me fish that one up and I can read you the card. Okay, so you get a little card and it has some like a little note on the side, and on the back you have what products you are getting in the box. This is what the card says, and I will read it in Swedish and then I will translate. It's all about love. Well, that's not Swedish, but that's what it says. Sprid kärlek till omvärlden, men glöm inte bort dig själv. Vi har valt ut några av våra favoritprodukter och placerat dem i boxen. Det är vår kärleksgåva till dig. Wow. Njut nu av ditt eget glossy moment och upptäck dina nya produkter. Stay glossy. Okay. Oh, it also says that, like, I'm just gonna read before I translate this. P.S. Your glossy box has gotten a new size that is nicer for the environment and fits most post boxes. And I think that's amazing for them to think about the environment a bit. I will say that Sweden overall is a very environmentally like conscious country, and I am very proud to be living in a country like that. So let me tell you, spread love to the world, but don't forget about yourself. We have chosen some of our favorite products and put them in this box. This is our love gift to you. Cheesy. Enjoy your own glossy moment and discover your new products. Stay glossy. So let me switch this over so we can see, and I see the thing that fell on the floor is something that I don't really like getting in boxes like this. Glossy box contains five either deluxe size samples or like full size things, and sometimes you get like bonus things like a snack or a drink or like tampons, for example. But sometimes they include perfume samples as one thing, and I think that is, I wish that they would stop. I wish that they would at least include a deluxe sample of a perfume. I can go into any department store, any makeup store, and ask for a perfume sample and get it. Like, it's not that hard to get it. It should not be one of the things in the box. I wish that when they included perfume samples like this, it was one of those, you know, the deluxe sizes, the ones that are like 3 times as big as this one. That one at least lasts you like 2 weeks when you're using it, so you can get a feel for the perfume. I don't like getting samples like this, and I especially do not like getting samples that doesn't have a sprayer. But this is the... Oh, this is a Swedish perfume. Okay, well that's fun at least. This is the SG79 Stockholm number 6. It is a a cozy, sweet and warm scent. This is a series of scents where photo art is like the inspiration. This is vanilla, orange flower and rose. That sounds like something I would like though, and this is the photo art on the front. But yeah, and you have to open it like this. I am not... What does this smell like? This smells good, but it smells a bit like candy, like marzipan. And that's not a bad thing, but it's just... that's not a perfume for me. I'm just saying, it doesn't smell bad, it's not a perfume for me. Although I will say that I might check out this brand because I do feel like a Swedish perfume brand, that seems like something I could actually get into. I want to take the thing that's on the top now, which seems to be a sheet mask. I love getting sheet masks. I've been really into masking lately, although I have accumulated so many sheet masks. I could double mask every day for a while and that'll be fine. So this is the Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask from Masquerade. Pun intended. And it is called I Don't Want to Grow Up, Lift Firm and Soften Fine Lines. Wow, that seems like something I would really like. Ultra Moisturizing. Oh, this is in Swedish in the background. That's really nice. Oh, wait, this seems nice. Ylang Ylang oil, argan oil, vitamin E, collagen, and elastin. This seems like something I could like. I'm gonna use this one. I love when they include like sheet masks because it enables you to try something new without having to actually like commit to a full-size product. And I love that. Ooh, what is this? Is this like Pride? That's nice. This is Ocean Spritz. Oh, this is a saltwater spray. I love that. So this is from Vella and it is the Love Edition. You can all see that. I love this. And it's a salt spray. And this definitely seems to be a full size. I mean, the sheet mask obviously is a full size. The perfume. Oh, that's not that expensive. Oh, maybe it is. Wait, yes, it is. Oh, it's like $50 for 30 milliliters. Never mind, that's an expensive perfume, but perfumes normally are. This one is a... Wow, that is actually kind of expensive. I didn't think Vella Professional. My bad. So this is like the professional brand. How much is in this? 150 milliliters. Oh, this is 200 crowns. So this is like $25 at full size. And this is a full size. That's lovely. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, I am excited. You know what this smells like? This smells like your hair smells like when you've been to the salon. Which is nice. So this actually smells like expensive hair care. Which is nice. I really like that. Okay, I am up for that. The sheet mask is 59 crowns. So that is like, what is that, like $5? $6? Maybe more like $6. So it's not super affordable, but it's not an expensive one either, for sure. The next one is the Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Oh, this is a Boost, Plump and Glow from Skin Chemists London. Am I being UK for you? Okay, so this is a lip plumper. It seems to be a gloss with a doe foot applicator. It smells very pepperminty, which is really nice. It has, you can see it has like a beautiful light pink tint. I'm guessing this is gonna go on see-through on the lips. I don't know if I'm a lip plumping girl, but this is also, I mean, this one seems to be a balm as well. Oh, this is a nourishing lip plumper. You know what? Maybe I'll hang on to this. I don't think that is bad. This is this a, how much is this? 8 milliliters, so this is a full size. Oh, and this is 280 crowns. That is more expensive than that is like $30. That is an expensive, but if it's like nourishing and a lip plumper and it did smell really nice, maybe that's nice. Ooh, this is the brand that I really like. I have one thing and I really like it, so maybe I shouldn't judge the whole brand based on that, but this is from Februarys Cosmetics. This is the brand that I got the bronzer stick from. I actually have it on today. I love the bronzer stick. It is such a beautiful product. It blends out like a dream. I've been using it so much. I even mentioned it in my 2018 favorites. It's been a total go-to, and this is another product from Februarys Cosmetics, and this is the Dew Pot Illuminator in a Pot in the color Glory. Okay, let us see what this is. I feel like I want to... Okay, so it seems to be a like cream illuminator in a pot, and I feel like I want to try it because I love the bronzer stick so much. I think I'm actually gonna dig into this. It seems to be a bit of a bronzy one though. I don't know if I feel like that is that glowy. Or maybe this, you know what this could be? This could be like not a highlighter, but like I love using, you know the highlighters that are too dark for you if you have a lighter skin like me? I like using those as a glowy bronzer in like summertime. Maybe this could work as that as well because I've been really into cream bronzers. Because it gave a nice color. Well, you can't see because my lights are too bright right now because it's so dark behind me, and I'm gonna experiment a bit with this product because I was so excited about the formulation of the other Februarys product, and therefore I am actually very excited to try something else from the brand. Because you know when you find a product and it's like the first product you try from a brand and you love it so much, it makes you very excited to like try more things because you're like, wow, this one was nice. I'm gonna try this one, and I'm gonna let you know how I feel about this because I really love the other products that I've tried from this brand. And so yeah, we got 4 really nice things, and then we got a perfume that's a bit and now I don't even know where the perfume is. Oh, here it is. So I'm still a firm like believer that you shouldn't get a perfume sample as a thing in these boxes. On the other hand, both of these products are pretty expensive, and these are like $50 together easily. So I mean, maybe I'm slightly more okay with it in a box where it has a good value. The Februarys Dew Pot is $180, so it's like not as expensive as this one, but it's still not super affordable, and it's full size is 3. Yeah, so this is a full size. But yeah, that was everything in this box. I actually thought that this was a good box. I am so excited to try that hair thing. Maybe I'll even try it a bit in my, like, can we? Oh, this smells so nice. This smells exactly like going to the salon. That's not it. Oh, this smells exactly like it smelled in the salon. Am I crazy, or is this volume out of this world? Did we find something really good here? Okay, I see you. Wow, that's fantastic. I'm looking at the viewfinder, I'm like, where did this volume come from? That's awesome. I'm already in love with this. Yeah, I thought this was a great box. I am actually thinking that this is very good value for money, and once again, I'm really excited about this box. Maybe I should do like a roundup review of things that I've gotten in Glossy Box that I've tried, and also the calendar. Would you like to see that? Could that be interesting? Or are they like because some of these things are like no-name brand things. But could I do like a follow-up subscription box calendar review thing? Would you like to see that? Let me know in the comments. I could totally do that because I've tried a bunch of the things that I've tried most of the things that I've gotten, actually, to be honest. But yeah, I'm not gonna drag this along any further. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I do upload quite a lot of videos. I'm probably gonna have a video tomorrow. That's just how it is here on my channel, and I will see you then. Bye!